Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the S Pen not connecting issue on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, restart your mobile. So to restart, swipe down and open quick settings panel, and here click on this power icon. Now here click on restart, and then again click on this restart icon to restart your mobile. And after restarting, your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings, scroll down, and here click on advanced features. Now here click on S Pen, and then click on this 3 dot more icon. Now from here click on reset S Pen, and after resetting the S Pen settings, it will fix your problem. So after doing this, if you are still unable to connect your S Pen with your Samsung Galaxy S24, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down to the end, and here click on software update. Now in software update, click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. And after updating your mobile software, your problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.